Namaste Suprabatam children. Lavanya Mataji is back again with a new session. First, we shall learn a new rhyme about water. Fine. It is a Hindi rhyme. Are you all ready to learn, children? Yes. Lagi to piya pani. Repeat after me, children. प्यास लगी तो पिया पानी, नहाने धोने में भी पानी, नहाने धोने में भी पानी, पौधों को हम डाले पानी, पौधों को हम डाले पानी, कुत्ते बिल्ली मांगे पानी, कुत्ते बिल्ली मांगे पानी, बिना पानी हम जी ना पाए, बिना पानी हम जी ना पाए, फिर पानी क्यों व्यर्थ बनाए, फिर पानी क्यों व्यर्थ बनाए. Hope children you all understood the rhyme and practice the same in your house. See, this rhyme is about not wasting the water and what are the uses of water. Fine? Yes. Children, are you all ready to learn new set of words? Oh, I'm feeling very thirsty. What did I do? I'm drinking water, right? You might be thinking, why Mataji is drinking water now? Isn't it? So, if you feel thirsty, what you will do, children? You drink water. So, today we are going to learn the words starting from dr. Earlier, you have learned few consonant blends, right? Today, let's learn new consonant blend dr, d and r. D and r gives the sound dr. D and R put together will give the sound dr. Fine, children? Let us learn few words. Now I am going to narrate you a very interesting story. Children, are you all ready to listen to a story? There was a boy called as Dhruva. See, the name Dhruva starts from dr, right? Draw sound word. Fine? Yeah. He was fond of playing in garden. Fine? Every day he used to go to garden, and after coming back from the garden, he was a very good boy. What he used to do, you know, children? He used to put his dress, dress for washing. Fine? What is dress? Dress is made out of cloth which you wear. Fine? Yeah. He used to put his dress for wash. After putting the dress for wash, what you all do? You have to wash your hands, right? In the same way, even Dhruva used to wash his hands and legs. After washing, he used to wipe his hands and legs with dry towel. You know the meaning of dry, isn't it? This is also a draw sound word, isn't it? D and R gives the sound dr. So, dry towel. Dry means which is not wet. You know, right? Gayatri Mataji had explained you about this, right? So, after that, he was fond of fresh fruit juice. So, always his mother used to prepare a fresh fruit juice for him, and he used to complete that without leaving even a single drop. Drop in the glass. Drop means a small round or pear shaped portion of a liquid. Children, you might have observed, if you don't close the tap, you can find drops of water falling from the tap. Fine. After that, what he did? What was his hobby, you know, children? He was fond of drawing pictures. Fine. He took his drawing book and he drew the pictures of flowers. Then, what is the meaning of draw? To make some picture on a paper using a pencil or a pen is called as draw. Fine. So, he drew a picture of flowers. Fine. D-R-A-W. Draw. Fine. After that, his father came back from his office. He saw Dhruva had drew a very nice drawing. He wanted that to be put on the wall. So what he did? He took a drill. Drill. So what is drill? Drill is a machine which is used to make a hole on walls. Okay? He took a drilling machine and he made a hole and he inserted a nail and he put the drawing made by Dhruva on the wall. Fine. After that, his father took him for a long drive. Drive. Fine. So what is the meaning of drive? You all like to go in car, right? So going out in a car for some distance is called as drive. Either you can take a drive-in car or a drive-in auto, right? That is called as drive. Fine. So after that, what happened? His father wanted to gift him a toy. So they saw a toy shop and they entered into the toy shop where Dhruva liked a colorful toy. It is drum. He purchased a drum. Drum. Fine. He purchased a toy drum. So they came back and he was very tired. He wanted to go to sleep. Then his parents wished him good night and sweet dreams. Right? Dreams. Dream. Right? Dream means thoughts and images you get when you are sleeping. Right? Yes. What is the meaning of drum, children? Drum means it is the instrument you will get with 2 sticks and you can beat the drum, right? Yes. So, hope you all have understood the meanings of few dr sound words and also you like the story of Dhruva. Fine. Now, Guru Shri Mataji is going to take over the session. Fine, children?
Namaste, namaste, namaste. Namaste, namaste, namaste. Namaste, children. Welcome back. This is Guru Shri Mataji. Children, Lavanya Mataji has explained you about dr sound words. Now it is time for us to write them in our classwork book. So children, all of you open your English classwork book, take pencil, eraser and get ready for writing. Children, as you know, the first thing we have to write is date. What is today's date? It is 24-2-2021. All of you write the date. After the date, it is time to write the heading. And you know the heading because we have already learnt about the same. Children, leave 2 finger space in the beginning and then write DR, dr, 1 finger space, SOUND, sound, again 1 finger space and write WORDS, words, dr, sound, words. Now let us move on to our first word. For that, in the next line, write number 1. When we are thirsty, we drink water. When we are thirsty, we drink water. What is the dr sound word here? It is drink. So, let us write it. Write cursive small letter D, R. That is our dr sound word. Dr, I, N, K. Drink. 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 Yes, children. Moving on to our second word. Write number 2. This is a long dress. This is a long dress. So, what is the dr sound word here? It is dress. Let us write it now. Write dr, D-R, D-R, dr, E-S-S, dress, D-R-E-S-S, dress, dr-S, dress. Hope you have written it neatly, children. Now, moving on to our third word. The third word is, let us check. I like to draw. I like to draw. What is the dr sound word here? It is draw. Draw. So let us write the word now. Write dr, that is D-R, A and W, draw. Draw. Okay, children. Now, as Mataji doesn't have place here, she is going to write in the side. You have to continue one below the other. Now, the next is our fourth word. Write 4. The fourth word is Chintu plays the drum. Chintu plays the drum. Now, which is our drum word? It is drum. You're right. So, let us write it. Dr. You all know it now. D-R. Dr. U. That is M. D-R. Dr. Drum. Yes, children. Let us move to our fifth word. Write number 5. Save every drop of water. Save every drop of water. So, our dr word is Children, we have to say water because it is very precious. Let us write it now. Dr. D-R. O means it is O. P. P. Drop. Drop. I hope you have written it. Moving on to our last word. Write number 6. Look at the picture, children. This is a drill. This is a drill. Yes, our draw word is drill. The machine that you see there is a drill. Write it now. D-R. Dr. It means I. L. That is 2 times L. Drill. 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 Okay, children. So, now let us quickly revise all the 6 words. Ink. Drink. Dress. Dress. Draw. Drum. Drop. Drill. So, I hope you have written all the 6 words neatly. Now, let us move on to our activity time. Yes, children, let us see our home activity now.
Children, let us start with the activity. For the activity, we require some stars and then some ice cream sticks. Children, as you can see, we have to keep 2 ice cream sticks and then paste the same color stars. See? Golden color, then blue color. In the same way, we need to paste 2 more colors of stars, just like the one here. See, it is blue, pink, gold and purple color. In this way, we need to prepare different patterns and colors of ice cream sticks and keep them ready to play. We have prepared 4 set of patterns. Children, if you don't have star stickers with you, you can take the help of your parents and cut the shape of your choice, where it can be star, circle, oval, triangle, any shape, and make different patterns like this. Now we are going to mix all the patterns and then start to rearrange them. Now everything is mixed here. Let us start arranging them. See, the first is blue, pink, gold and purple color. We have to find the same. Let us check this one. We have blue color here. Blue is matching but pink is not matching. So that means it is not a proper one. We have to find its match. Now let us check for this blue. This is also not matching. Let us try this one. Yes, we found our match. See, they are all same. So one set is done. Now let us see the next one. We need gold, blue, purple and red. Where is the gold one here? This is gold. Yes, we found it. Gold, blue, purple. Oh no, this is pink and this is red. So, we have not found it. Let's check this one. Gold, blue, purple and again this is pink. So, that means these two are our match. Right. Now let's try for this. Gold, blue, purple and red. We found it. So 3 pairs are done by us. Now the remaining one will pair by itself. Children, hope you enjoyed the activity. Try playing this with your friends. Have fun. See you in the next session. Ram Ram.